Spaz, you get the first break of the day. I was going to say, Super Sits won this card in the Upper Deck giveaway. But he said whoever had the first break of the day, which you ordered this last night, so you get the first break of the day, he just throw it in with yours. So, it's a 14 of 25 Kadeem Carey SP Authentic Short Print Rookie Autograph. I told him this card was going to be worth $1,000 next year when the Bears win the Super Bowl and he's MVP. But he still said give it away. Alright, going to finish off this Super Break. Series 2, box number 1. You have Joey. Oh, to go with your Bears Kadeem Carey, you'll get a Alshon Jeffrey rookie patch autograph. Alshon triple patch rookie absolute. That one is numbered 18 of only 25, the patch version. And a Geno. Uh-oh, you said no Genos, and you get a Geno. Geno jersey, 9.5. Box number 2. Byron Buxton. And Nick Foles, 2012 rookie patch autograph. That one's 543 of 885. There you go. And the last one from the first half of the Master Case shall be Hunter Harvey, Aaron Rodgers. Is that his rookie year? Yep, that's his rookie gold. Number 200. 88 of 100. Aaron Rodgers rookie. Sweet spot. Gem mint, 9.5. That's the gold parallel version. Number 200. That's a nice hit right there. 2005 Sweet Spot Rookie Gold Aaron Rodgers. Rookie autograph. Oh, only a 9 on the autograph. Could win the Super Bowl this year. Could happen. We'll see. Alrighty. Thanks as always, Spaz. I'll get it on the way. See ya.